What if I tell you, a country you've never visited can decide how much you pay for gas, food, and even rent? Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what's happening right now with Venezuela. And this is not just politics. This is about your money. Most people think geopolitics doesn't affect me. But history proves one thing. When superpowers fight over oil, ordinary people pay the price. So today, I'll break down why Venezuela matters, what Trump's move really means, and how this could impact your money, investments, and daily life. Part 1. Why Venezuela is so important. Venezuela is not just another country. It has the largest proven oil reserves in the world, more than Saudi Arabia, more than the U.S. But here's the twist. Despite having massive oil, Venezuela's economy collapsed because of corruption, mismanagement, heavy U.S. sanctions. So Venezuela became a poor country sitting on a gold mine. And whenever oil is involved, powerful countries start paying attention. Part 2. What Trump's Venezuela strategy is about. Trump's approach is simple but dangerous. Control the oil, control the leverage. Instead of direct war, the strategy focuses on political pressure, sanctions regime, change narratives. Why? Because Venezuelan oil could flood the market and change global oil prices overnight. And oil prices affect gas transport, food inflation, which means your wallet feels it first. Part 3. How this impacts markets and investors. Here's where money gets involved. When news like this breaks, oil prices become volatile. Energy stocks swing up and down, investors move money to safe assets. That's why during geopolitical tension, gold prices rise, dollar strengthens, stock markets get shaky. Even if you don't invest, your cost of living still goes up. Inflation doesn't care about politics. It only cares about supply and fear. Part 4. The bigger global picture. This is not just USA versus Venezuela. Other countries are watching closely. China, Russia, Latin American nations. If Venezuela's oil re-enters the global market, OPEC loses power. Oil prices could drop. Long-term energy politics changes forever. This is a global power chess game, and Venezuela is the board. Final warning. So what's the real lesson? Politics controls oil. Oil controls inflation. Inflation controls your life. You don't need to be a politician or a billionaire investor to be affected by this, because every time oil becomes a weapon, ordinary people pay the bill. If you want to understand how global events affect your money, subscribe, because financial freedom starts with awareness.